Hello dear kids of class 10th, greetings for the day. So today I'm here to discuss a few more things about your examination, about your marks, about your result preparation of class 10th, right? You know that board has suspended the examination and it is asking from schools the marks, correct? So now some of the students and some of the parents have got the dilemma. They are in the impression that school can give any marks whatever school wishes to give. And now it is then school choice that what marks school wants to give to the student, school can send to the board. No, that's not at all true. It's not at all true. Board has kept many regulations for that. It has asked school the marks, but it does not mean that school has got liberty to send any of the marks. Now what is the mechanism? The mechanism is that board has asked school that how many examinations you have taken so far. Like our school has taken so many examinations. We have done so many assessment. We did almost every week ASM on every chapters. We did the half yearlies also. We did so many pre-boards as well. I think 4 pre-boards are done so far, and there was all 5 planned, but 4 pre-boards are done. But the problem is what? The problem is that sometimes some students have not appeared few of the tests. Some students have not appeared any of the tests. Some students have appeared, but they have not appeared with their full might. Means the marks they could score, they did not score in the pre-boards or in the school level examinations. Now one thing which you need to understand, that school whatever marks will send, board will ask the evidence with that. Means if I send for a student 0 marks, or if I send a student 50 marks, or if I send for a student 100 marks, I need to send along with that the evidence. Means the marks, the notebooks, the exam papers, everything possible I need to send, correct? Now one thing is very true, school is not going to play any foul. Why? If school gives any wrong marks, any marks which are not scored by the student, if school send, it has 2 complications to happen. One, first of all, school's image may go down if board catches anytime any wrong data sent by board. So it will be like the wrong credit for the school, correct? Number 1. Number 2, they may debar student result also. They may hold student result also. So school do not want to do any foul so that the student should be on the stake or school should be on the stake. So school will send the actual marks which were scored by the students throughout the year. Now, few students, as I have already said, few students have not taken all the examination, few of the examinations, and few could not do it in the best way. So school is conducting one more online examination which you all are attempting. Many of the students I am seeing, they have not got yet registered on the new app which is there for the new test. If they are not registering, they might be on the loss. How? Because whatever marks we have, we'll have to send those marks only. Now why we are giving this new chance to you to take an examination? This examination is being said to you that you should perform the best possible you could or you can. You may say me that I could do wonders, but in pre-boards I was not that aware that these marks are going to be the final marks. Okay, that's true. So I'm giving you one more chance to do. Now you're doing at home. You may do cheating also. So for that thing, we have enrolled you in the new software. It helps you to give the full exposure and the teachers the full exposure to have eye on you. How? I'll show you in some time. So this test, when you log in, it lets us know what you are doing. Every time your camera has to be on and we watch you at every time. If you go out of frame, means if you go out of camera, it immediately informs us. If you switch your app, it immediately informs us. If you speak anything around, it immediately informs us. If you take unusual time to attempt any question, any paper of any question of the paper, it tells us. Means if you're switching the app to the other Google or like searching the answer of the question, it tells us. Now what can you do? You have taken another mobile with you. it is completely recorded. If you are taking any other mobile and if you are going like this, correct? Now you have mobile downside and you are going like this and searching. So camera tells me immediately that you're going out of frame and your eyes are not on the camera, or like whatever the things are going on. This it lets me know. If you're taking the unusual time to attempt the questions, one question to other, it tells us. If multiple people come in the camera, like you are there and some other people are also coming in the camera, it tells us. If the voice of yours or some other people come in, it records and sends us. We can come anytime in your class. It means in your test paper time, like invigilation we do. You can chat with us, I can chat with you. How it works, let's see this first.
So dear students, I just want to show, see, like right now 3 exams are going on, and here out of these many students are taking part. Here out of 15, 18 are taking exam. Here out of 46, 3 are taking exam. So this is the assessment, the sample assessment, and this is the actual examination which is going on for the day. So 18 students are taking part out of 51. So what does it say? It does say the rest of the student either they have submitted or they are not taking part in the examination. So if I want to see the report, let me check. See, this is the report which is coming to my screen, correct? Now if you see the what is showing, see, he has submitted, she has submitted. Now see this student, someone is there, Chavi Rastogi, it's saying out of frame, correct? Means these students are going out of frame, and she, Abhishek Shrivastava, he has gone out of app. Now out of app, what does it mean? Out of app means he is not on the app, he might be searching something from other app, correct? So see, now if I see out of frame, how many times he has been out of frame? He has been for 1 time, correct? App switch he has done 1 time. So video capture 5 minutes, 2.30 seconds, right? So what does happen? Everything, whatever you are doing, from here only I can interact with him. From here only I can do anything with him. Now if I show you some other student, like see, this student is there, Akanksha Singh. So like this student is there, like he has done no violation. See, it's coming green. He has not done app switch, he has done for 1 time. See, app switch he has done for 1 time. He has went out of the app for 7 seconds. Might be he has gone for searching something. Now I'm seeing every photo of him, and if I want to see him live, I can see him live also, what he is doing right now. So this app tells everything to me. If you will go out of frame, if you will go offline, like suppose this student is there, Manav Gupta, he is offline, he is not connected, he is not attempting exam. These many students have submitted the exam. If I want to check, like Disha Rastogi is there, if I want to check her examination, how did she do, so I can check. See, she went out of frame for 3 minutes and 25 seconds. If I want to check out of frame, I can check. So she went sometimes out of frame also, and sometimes she, and other things she has not done. Now out of frame, if I'm seeing, so she was not out of frame exactly. If I see, I can see all the pics, she was not out of frame, but yes, camera adjustment was not proper. So whenever this kind of thing comes, I can see also in the app, and I can see he's saying, it is saying correct or it's saying incorrect sometimes. Whenever you'll be getting out of frame, whenever multiple people are coming, whenever you're going app switch, when you're doing anything, every time it gives the complete report to me, correct? So we have to take care that we need to be very sincere in the examination, as we do in the examination time, in the real examination time. Now see, this is the student is disconnected. Now before going to the examination, you need to check that you must be in the proper network, and you should not go out of network even for a single second, because once you get disconnected, it gives you the half marks. Now see, he is getting out of frame for 13 times. Let me check how he is out of frame. Exactly, he is not out of frame, but yes, he is not coming completely in the photo. So it's showing that out of frame. App switch is done for 1 minute and 31 seconds. 4 times he has gone out of switch, app switch. So this app tells everything to us, and everything is on count. Now let me come back on the screen.
So you have seen how does it work. It works so beautifully. So now what is your responsibility? Now your responsibility is that first of all, you should prepare for the test well, number one, which was already told you 10 days ago. and whole the year you have prepared for it. Number 2, you must be in proper network. You should not be disconnected between the time. Number 3, attempt with your full minds. Whatever marks, whatever score you can do at the best, do that thing. Upload the test paper properly and must attend. If you don't attend, we have to send the marks which are there with me, your prior marks which may not be good that much. Correct? So this is the last chance to improve your marks. This is the last chance to better your result. This is the last chance to do good in class 10th. This 10th mark sheet is going to be for along with you. Right? So I hope you must be understanding. If you have got any query, you have got the number of your all the teachers. Please call them, please ask them, please do attend the examination. Please do attend the examination with all the fair means. If we find any student using unfair means, that all will be reported to board. This all data, you are going out of frame, you are going out of app, you are going out of this, all will be reported to board. Then board will decide what to do. They will consider your marks or they will not consider your marks. They may do ki you have scored 70 marks, they will cut 50% marks that you have done unfair means in the classroom. Whatever things is there, school is not going to give marks from school side, means we are not going to give any fake marks. Whatever the marks you score, only those marks will be sent, whether those are 0 or those are 100. You have to take care of this thing. Don't keep this thing in your mind that school will send any wrong marks, and board has done all the means for that. If any school send any wrong marks, board will catch it immediately. Board has made so many things for that, and we do not want that your result due to our mistake or due to your mistake. School image should be down or your result should be withholded, right? So I hope you must be keeping safe, well at home, studying a lot, doing all the things you should do, and I hope you will be doing wonders in the examination. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.